Hi guys, I want to show you an excellent way to digitally store your TBR list, your books to read list. So right now you are looking at my Google Keep, and the way that you can get to your Google Keep is by opening a new tab. If you look over here, you've got this sort of tic-tac-toe board and you click it, then you click more. Right here you'll see Google Keep. It's so excellent. I keep this as a pinned folder on my Chrome at all times. Here are a bunch of other people's Google Keeps. Here's what mine looks like right now. So for Google Keep, what I would love for you to do is click here where it says take a note. And where it says take a note, you'll write your name. So I'll write Mrs. Gallant, TBR. And then underneath it still says take a note. So this is sort of like the title, and here is where I can write my books to read list. So maybe you liked the idea of The Martian, a book I previewed in class, or maybe Sold by Patricia McCormick, or maybe Simon versus the Homo sapiens agenda. And then you also have that whole long list of other books that you've been wanting to read. Another one I was talking about today in class is Long Way Down by Jason Reynolds. So I'd love to see you add all of these books, maybe a dozen or a couple of dozen of books that you've thought about in English class so far. Then you'll click right here, and I love this feature, Show Checkboxes. When you click Show Checkboxes, all of a sudden this becomes like a to-do list, and you can check items off your list once you've read those books. So this can be a running list of not only the books that you've read or your completed items, but also your TBR, the books that you'd like to read. Once you've made this whole list, there's one last step you have to do, and it's to share this list with me. To add me as a collaborator, you type in my email address. Once you type in NGA, you'll probably have my name pop up there. Okay? Save it, and you're done with your homework for tonight. Thank you guys so much for adding to your TBR list and for helping me organize the classroom library. Enjoy your book.